Hi guys, good morning. This is Ravi Kiran. Welcome back to my channel. So in this video, we are going to talk in the sense I and Auto Geek World. His name is Surjo Biswas. Now I'm going to introduce you in a minute. So Surjo, hi.
Hi. My name is Surjo Biswas. I run a YouTube channel called as Auto Geek World. You can check it out. I do the same as Mr. Ravi Kiran does. So I do reviews of bikes and probably there are some reviews of cars also in the first, but I'm not getting to do that right now. But we are planning something big this year. Let's see what happens after the lockdown goes.
Yeah, and also you can say that which language you are doing. Like I think you are doing in Bengali, right?
There are multiple languages. To be frank, I have done videos in Telugu, Bangla, Hindi, and English. I mean, most of my videos are like either Hindi or English.
So in this video, we are going to talk something different. That is, should you buy a second-hand vehicle in this present situation? Like we are running through a bad period, that is COVID-19 lockdown. So the economy has totally gone down. So many people were affected. So mainly we are going to talk something different. That is, I told you, right?
Yes.
We are going to talk about that. So
Yes.
Sujo, how is the situation in Hyderabad? Like I came to my hometown, and even we are at home, but we don't know what is
Okay,
going to happen in Hyderabad.
To be frank, Hyderabad's situation is not at all good. I mean, cases are rising day by day. Yesterday I checked, it was around 13,000 or so. So, I mean, the situation is quite bad, and I believe the lockdown will be extended, and they are thinking to implement new lockdown after the 1st of July. Let's see
I
what
think
happens.
this period will end up to the year end. I think so.
Maybe to be frank,
Maybe it can
yes.
continue. Right? We have to live with that.
Yes, we basically have to live with this, that we are surrounded by an virus, and probably after the lockdown goes, after everything goes, the world will be completely different from what it used to be, and we have to basically get used to it. And please be safe in your own house. Wear the mask if you go out for even like 5 or 6 minutes, also still wear the mask. And if you go on a bike, if you are a commuter, then you have to wear a complete full face helmet, because it will
I
become
think
a
helmets
face shield.
are very safer if you ride outside, right?
Yes.
Even if you got used to it, that would be so much better.
Yes. So basically, it's time that people get cautious about their health. Normally,
Yes.
people used to, even we used to go out just like that without doing anything. But now we have to be prepared. Even after coming to home, we have to do certain things like leave up the clothes in one point, and we should not touch them. And it's like that.
Yes.
So,
So Sojo, let's start our video without
yeah,
getting
sure.
late. So, you can tell me the reason.
Okay,
like,
so
why people should buy second-hand vehicles, or you want to buy a first-hand vehicles?
Okay, if you ask my opinion, to be frank, I'll prefer the first-hand vehicle. Number one reason is that you're getting the latest emission norms, that is BS6,
Okay.
so that your vehicle will be quite new, and further years, I mean, if you're thinking to use your vehicle for like 4 to 5 years, then it will be really helpful if you get a newer vehicle or newer emission norms, because BS6 will last around 2 to 2.5 years, maybe. So till that, your bike will be quite new, and you will be inside that particular emission norm. If you buy a second hand vehicle that is like BS4, sometimes it is even BS3. Normally, I'll not allow, appeal to people not to buy vehicles that is above 5 years, because you don't know where the vehicle has went and what conditions it has survived. So above 5 years will be like very harsh on your pocket, because, and also the environment, because BS3 vehicles release a lot of carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide. Basically, if you're buying a new vehicle, you have to invest bit more, but you're kind of future proofing it. So that's my take on new vehicle versus old vehicle.
See, I have an opinion on that. Like, I want to say something. See, now we are under very bad situation, right? So people don't want to spend their money on bikes or buying automobiles some kind. So at present situation, see, normally if you want to buy a 150cc bike, you need to spend over 1 lakh rupees.
Yeah.
Before you used to get
Even,
around 70
even the
to
125
80,000.
cc's
Yeah.
have gone quite high above 1 lakh.
So before it used to come around 70 to 80,000 for 150cc. Now if you want to buy a 150 good model like which I am using, you need to spend over 1,30,000 rupees for that.
Yes, on road will
So
be really high.
a
for
normal
now.
people, like a common people who are like a middle class or lower middle class, so you don't want to spend money because the resources are very low.
Yes,
at present
I
situation.
understand that concern that you have put up, but the thing is, I mean, if you want to really, I mean, tight your budget, and there are some BS6 options also, because BS6 it's been like a few months. I mean, more than 6 months. Few of the brands have already started making BS6 models in last year's October. So what
Yes.
you can do is you can go for a second-hand BS6 bike if that is possible. If you find a good deal that is BS6 bike within the 6 months, you will get the cost less, and you don't need to pay that extra tax and all. So you can just deduct the amount. So if a bike will cost around 1 lakh
Yes.
rupees, you can get it for like 70 odd thousand rupees within this part of time.
Even
You can
I
save on
suggest
that.
to buy a new vehicle, but people those are like worried about the budget, they still buy second-hand vehicles only.
Ah. So second-hand vehicles is, as I told you already, that if you're buying a second-hand vehicle, it should not be more than 5 years, because that will be really harmful for the environment. And people forget that when they are harming the environment, when the emissions are harming the environment is harming back to us. So pollution is not
Exactly,
going
that is what
anywhere,
happening
right?
now.
It is coming directly to us. So basically,
Yes.
we are the end people who are actually taking all the pollutions. And
Actually,
all.
we have to
So,
save environment. Like
it's
if you
not
buy
like the
basic
same
vehicle, the emissions
environment.
will be
It's like
getting
save
down.
yourself only.
yes,
basically.
exactly. So if you buy a BS6 vehicle or any new generation vehicles, so the
They
emission will be
actually
less.
make a lot of. It was like 50 ppm in the BS4 models, and it has reduced to like 10 ppm in the BS6. So 50 to 10 is a huge jump. Actually BS5 should be implemented this year, but government has thought that the emission norm should be affected in the BS6, because the pollution levels are ever increasingly rising, and in Delhi it was the highest polluted city in the world. So
Yes.
we have
Yeah,
broken
due to
the
this
record.
pollution, we are getting affected.
Yes.
So if you buy a new vehicle, that would be better. Like you can use it for future
That
years
would be
as well.
better. And nowadays, I mean,
Yeah.
I've seen pretty much all the companies and all the brands. What they're doing is they are providing zero interest, and there are very less down payment options, and
Yeah,
even
even
they are
more
providing
companies are
100%
offering
finance.
0%
They used to provide
finance
like 40%
options.
or 50% before.
Yeah.
So things have improved from before.
Things have improved. Yeah, but if the situation will get better, then that would be good.
Yes,
So at present
but-
situation, no one is going to take any step
Yes,
further.
yes. So present situation, I mean, commuter, the people who commute through public transport, they have been into a big dilemma, because they are not finding anything. And if they are finding it, I mean, some other options like auto or cab, that is like charging them almost double the amount. That is a huge
Yeah,
problem
now,
nowadays.
and if we can see the situation right now, like the present date, there is no transport facility outside. If you want to go to the work,
Yes,
you
yes,
need
yes.
to take your own vehicle. Even that
Yes.
is very safe now. Instead of considering public transport, taking your
Yes.
own vehicle, and if you take care of yourself, like sanitizing yourself, that would be very safe.
But one more
Because
thing,
in
I
the
mean,
coming months, we have to live with that.
yes, we have to live with that, but there are certain things. I mean, suppose we have struck into a traffic jam. So a traffic jam will consist at least 50 to 60 bikers, and the distance between every two persons will be very less, because it's a
Yes.
jam. So there also, I mean, the transmission can cause. I mean, there also you need to be really careful that you stay away from, you literally make distance from other people.
And there is also one benefit with that, like if you are wearing mask, like you get used to that.
Yes.
You get protected from pollution as well. See, I don't recommend people to buy new vehicles in this year. See, because due to this lockdown, every states are been like they are some places
Yes.
are restricted.
Yes,
Like you
yes.
cannot go. So if you buy a new bikes or new cars, you want to take it for long tours. So there is no possibility that we can go here and there. So instead of buying the vehicles right now, if you can postpone it to some further few months, so that would be good, I
That-
think so. So what do you say about that?
Yes, that is
So
actually.
this is what
yes.
I feel right due to current
Yes,
situation.
that would be quite better, because right now buying a vehicle has become a lot easier. Plus, it's a difficult process, you could say. How easier? Easier is like the companies are now providing the finance options, and the interest rate is quite low right now, so you can get the bike pretty easy. But the price has gone up. So basically, the bike which used to cost like 40,000-50,000 bucks, it's costing around 70,000. So that's a huge difference, when coming to the on-road price.
Yes.
So I mean, the people who are ready to afford it, I mean, the people who have extra cash, they can go for a vehicle, and the people who are basically not everyone is having extra cash, right? So the people who don't have the extra
those
cash.
are like those are more on money, can go
Yes,
and
yes.
buy vehicles, but when coming to the like middle class and lower class people, so you need to think
Yes,
a little bit about it.
they need to think a lot of
So
it,
this is
because
what I feel about the current situation.
to be frank, if you're buying even a 125 cc bike or scooter, that will cost you equals to 1 lakh rupees. And 1 lakh rupees in this
Yes.
kind of situation is very crucial for us. The situation is not at all good. People are losing jobs. I mean, people don't really have that much of work.
Yeah, the money and
And
resources are
the
very
money
low right now.
thing is not going. It's kind of in a stable place. So that is where the problem is. There is no exchange of money, and people are really finding it hard to travel from one place to another place, and that is the problem that we need to face it. But saving money is a very important thing nowadays, because we don't know what might actually happen next. That is the more important thing, because until and unless the vaccine comes in and that spreads all over the world, we get the proper vaccine. Until then, we can't say
Yes.
anything that what may happen or what not. That is a big question. I mean, to be frank, all the middle class people who are watching the video, I mean, you should halt the purchase of bike. Even I am planning to buy via bike. Ravi Kiran knows about it, but I'm just thinking.
Yeah, actually, I was about to ask that.
So I'm just thinking to invest. It will cost me around 1.7 lakh rupees. So I'm just thinking again and again that should I go for that? Should I not? Should I go for that? Should I not? So that is a problem basically. So right now for like.
And if you buy a bike also, like if you buy a bike, you cannot take
Yes.
it anywhere. Like
Yes.
You need to keep the bike at the home
Yes.
for 3 to 4 months.
Yes.
Like you are going to waste your insurance
Yes.
amount.
Another
as well.
thing is the maintenance thing. I mean, if you take a new bike, in 1,000 you have to go to the
Yeah,
first
you have to
service
maintain
center.
that service
So
record.
that is one more
Yeah.
thing. So taking a bike will increase the burden. It will not decrease or do anything for you. And if you really need a commute and you were dependent upon the public transport, then I'll prefer you to go for the small 100cc commuter bikes like the Splendor Plus or the Super Splendor, or even you can go for like CD Dream from Honda. So what that will do is it's kind of balances you. It will provide more mileage, so it's more practical bike that is
Yes.
for you in this kind of situation. So you have to buy a bike, then go for this 100cc commuters, which you'll get around
Exactly.
within
If you want to buy a
70,000
bike,
on road.
look out for small CC like budget
Yes, yes.
eco-friendly bikes.
And nowadays all the bikes have like fuel injection, so and there are a lot many features than the previous bikes. So yeah, you can go for the small commuter bikes for now.
So this is all about the things which we want
Yes.
to tell you. Like you want to buy the bikes right now in this
Yes.
current situation right
It's
now.
your money after all. So you are the person who actually decides whether you spend or not. It was just our humble opinion that please be safe in your home. The situations are not at all good. In some cities, they are like cases above 1 lakh. So please be safe in whatever the place you're staying, and don't move out until and unless it is really important for you. And about the buying bike, so think more than twice before investing your hard-earned money on something which can be costlier in the future. So that's what we need to say. What's our opinion is.
Yeah. So till the situations gets better, stay at home, do your work at home. So if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and subscribe to our Surjo Biswas Auto Geek World. So I thank you, Auto Geek World, for giving me your valuable time.
So anyhow, everybody is in the home. So please do watch our videos. We do a lot of hard work to make one video possible.
So we will be making more
Yeah.
videos as well. So stay tuned for that. So see you in another video. Until then, bye. This is Ravi Kiran and Auto Geek World signing.